Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge 2, hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And our prompts for this week is black and white. So I'm going to make some journaling cards using black and white. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Please check out Amy's channel and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge 2. So without further ado, let's get started. I cut out my black and white cardstock 4 inches by 5 inches, and I'm going to emboss them with my Big Shot. I round off the corners of my cards, and then I go around it and over it with gilding wax. And now I want to decorate. And I just find some flowers that I like on both of them. And I'm kind of going for that shabby chic look. I'm inking the edges with walnut stain Distress Oxide. This is a new Distress Oxide for me, and I really love the rich color. I also decided to hit around the edges. Even though I did the gilding wax on the white, I just felt like it needed a little bit of darkness there to define the edges. Well, here they are, black and white. And I love the shabby chic look of them. I hope you like it as well. I'll give you a good look. But I just added my roses, put some coffee dyed paper on the back, embossed, and I'm good to go. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge too. There's some very, very talented people out there. So, I hope y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.